In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to successfully grow and care for watermelons, from selecting seeds to harvesting your ripe fruit. Soil requirements. Watermelons require well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. The ideal soil pH for growing watermelons is between 6.0 and 6.8. Before planting, make sure to loosen the soil to a depth of at least 12 inches and remove any rocks or debris. If your soil is heavy, consider adding sand or perlite to improve drainage. Watering. Watermelons need consistent moisture to grow properly. Water deeply once or twice a week, depending on weather conditions, and make sure the soil is moist to a depth of 6 inches. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to disease and fruit cracking. Fertilizing. Watermelons are heavy feeders and require regular fertilization. Before planting, incorporate a balanced fertilizer into the soil. Once the plants start to grow, apply a high nitrogen fertilizer every 3 weeks until the fruits begin to form. After that, switch to a fertilizer with a higher phosphorus and potassium content to support fruit development. Pest control. Watermelons are susceptible to a variety of pests, including aphids, spider mites, and squash bugs. To control these pests, use insecticidal soap or neem oil. You can also attract beneficial insects, such as ladybugs and lacewings, by planting flowers near your watermelon plants. Diseases to look out for. Watermelons can be affected by several diseases, including powdery mildew, fusarium wilt, and anthracnose. To prevent these diseases, practice good sanitation by removing any infected plant material and avoid watering the leaves. You can also use fungicides to prevent or control these diseases. Frequently asked questions. When should I plant watermelon seeds? Watermelon seeds should be planted in the spring, once the soil temperature has reached at least 70 degrees Fahrenheit. How do I know when my watermelons are ripe? Ripe watermelons will have a dull, matte finish and a hollow sound when tapped. You can also check the tendril closest to the fruit. If it is dry and brown, the fruit is ripe. How much space do watermelon plants need? Watermelon plants need at least 6 feet of space between each plant. Growing watermelons requires well-draining soil, consistent moisture, regular fertilization, and pest and disease control. Make sure to select a sunny location for planting and provide enough space for your plants to grow. Remember to water deeply and avoid overwatering, fertilize regularly, and control pests and diseases to ensure a successful harvest. Thank you for watching this detailed guide on how to grow and care for watermelons. We hope you found this information helpful and feel confident in your ability to grow delicious, juicy watermelons in your own garden. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!